Hello and welcome back to our channel. We are very happy that you are here and thank you very much to all of you who leave us likes and positive comments. As you can see, today we are on the road already. It's an early morning. We are in Valencia in Spain, and Valencia is not only a city in Spain, it's also a beautiful region. So today we are still in Valencia and we are going to show you the most beautiful village we discovered here in Valencia. So if you think that what you see here around me is beautiful, wait for more. So give us a thumbs up and stay tuned to see some spectacular places. Welcome to Chulilla! According to us, the most beautiful village in Valencia. So there it is, right behind me in its full glory in winter sun, beautiful Chulilla, a village which dates back 1000 years before Christ, and above the village is the castle built by the Arabs in 12th century. The village is absolutely spectacular, beautiful, a typical white village with narrow streets and beautiful old houses. But today we are taking you to the bottom of this valley. We are going to walk down to look for traces of ancient irrigation system built by the Arabs. A hidden gem, no one really cared or heard of it until recently when it became a popular climbing destination. There are over 800 climbing routes here, and it's been made popular by a local alpinist champion and famous climber who still lives and works here in the village. So yeah, quite a gem. Look at that. So we are taking you to the lake Charco Azul. There is a trail from the village, from the center of the village, Plaza Baronia. We are taking you through the easiest route, so you have to drive through the village, park next to the playground and walk down. We'll show you the beginning of this route. Avoid Chulilla at weekends and holidays, but if you come during the week and early, just like we did today, drive through the village and look for the playground, which is right behind those trees. So the playground is over there, and on the other side of the road there's a car park. So there is a small lay-by on the left. You can just see our car, and there's just one more car, so not busy at all today. And go back towards the village, walk back, and this is the route to Charco Azul. This is the easy route. So if you have mobility issues, or maybe you have young children, or you just don't fancy climbing on rough terrain, choose this route because it's nice and flat and easy. It doesn't look very promising at the moment, but trust me, it will get better. Just follow the road. Can you hear them? Amazing. So you may wonder, why would anyone build a village here, build a settlement in this bare area full of rocks, full of sand and dust? The answer is the river flowing in the middle of this canyon. And look at that. To this day, there is a beautiful valley full of olive and orange trees, almond trees, amazing farming area. So Arabs, the specialists in irrigation and making deserted places fertile again, they stayed here for quite a long time. And what you can see behind me, this valley, you know, things have been grown here for 2 millennia. That is impressive. We are approaching the village from its backyard. Look at that. Marek is a bit camera shy, but he always makes sure you have some nice drone footage. So please write him a comment and thank him for his skills. So this is our path to Charco Azul. We'll walk around and all the way down, and I will try to get a sneak peek of the village for you. It's amazing how beautiful these houses are, and I like the use of ceramics and tiles. This one is even hand painted. Even here, a little detail. Look at the inside of this little roof, tiled. Absolutely charming. A few properties for sale. If you fancy moving in, Google Chulilla. Okay, time to catch up with Marek and find the route to Charco Azul. Have a closer look. A beautiful grove, orange trees, and the channel bringing water from the river Turia. Genius. Sheltered, sunny spot for growing your oranges. Grow your own. Are you growing your own? If you are interested in those walls and you are wondering how high they are, about 80 meters. About 80 meters of limestone. And orange trees. What a view. Marek read that during the rain this shelf turns into a waterfall, so don't think about climbing and setting up a camp underneath. Look at that channel, a little cut in the rocks. Absolutely beautiful. Still working to this day. This place is as beautiful as it is dangerous, and this is the flooding zone. So when the river rises, when the level of the river rises, this area is flooded, and there are plenty of evacuation routes, which I will show you later. So it is dangerous. Yes, it is dangerous. You can also imagine how hot it must be here in the summer. You are surrounded by rocks, there is no wind. And in Spain, in the summer, temperature may rise well above 30s, even in 40s, plus 40 centigrade. So yeah, make sure you have your water with you. And I actually recommend coming here in winter. Pena Judea, which is the official swimming point here. If you fancy a dip in the cold river, you're welcome. I will continue walking. I'm not sure you will be able to see it, but there are people over there. There is a group of people, and there's one person going up, one person on the wall. I wonder, when they get to the top, it might be a silly question, but maybe you know, when climbers get to the top of this wall, do they come back the same way? Do they follow their footsteps and go down, or not? All the fun is probably in going up, but how do you come back? This place is absolutely magical, and I highly recommend it. There are various types of trails. There are easier ones, there are more challenging ones. You could go up along those huge rocks behind me, or you could choose the easy path and follow the very bottom of the valley. It is amazing. It's only 60 kilometers north from the city of Valencia, and behind every corner there is a surprise, like now, right now. We've been to a few places here. We explored a few villages, a few natural parks, but Chulilla absolutely blew us away, and our heart will stay here and will remember this trip for a long time. Everyone wants to travel, but one of the drawbacks of traveling and seeing and being in such amazing places is that once you've experienced something like that, it's really hard to find something better. You always want something better, more, higher, wider, bigger. This is one of the top places we've actually ever visited in our lifetime. And Chulilla definitely rises the bar. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to beautiful Charco Azul. We are here. Mark enjoying the view, everything for himself. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the color of this water. And behind those rocks there is a huge lake and a dam. That's a little lake. Charco Azul. It's possible to walk on the other side along the rocks. The bridge which you see there, the one which collapsed, it was damaged during 1960s flooding when the huge reservoir behind this wall was emptied. So it wasn't fixed since. Yeah, wow. You don't want to be here when the water is flowing through those big holes. It rises at the rate of 2 meters per minute. It's getting really hot and we are super lucky because it's a very popular spot. Everyone visiting Chulilla comes here and we are alone. We have the place for ourselves. So Marek is making the most of his drone and being here, listening to the water flowing is absolutely magical. You have to come here if you visit Valencia. I hope you enjoyed walking with us today. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to our channel. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. And if you click the notification bell, you will get a notice when we publish a new video. So make sure you are with us and follow us on Instagram as well, KM Freedom Seekers. We publish photos there every day and soon we will sit there together and take another photo for our Instagram. So thank you so much for coming here with us. Remember, Chulilla, Valencia, Charco Azul, absolutely amazing place. I will leave you all the useful links in the description of this video, and for now it's goodbye from us and see you next time. Bye bye.